Are you tired of battling weeds but don't want to use chemicals or spend a fortune on fancy weed barriers? Today, my friends, your battle can come to an end because I am going to be showing you an incredibly simple, free, and eco friendly garden hack that can help us to create a high carbon weed suppressing mulch using one of the most common things in our recycle bin, and that is cardboard. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make some of the best mulch that I have ever used in my garden. I am preparing my shredder because it is going to be the tool that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be using this box that I got at where did I get it again? I think I got it at BJ's. Yeah, so you all know when you go to BJ's to buy stuff, they have a stock of boxes there. You just pick up one and put your stuff in it. But my son chose this very beautiful box for me recently. It didn't have a lot of tape on it. There is no writing, glossy writings, because those are the type of boxes that you should not use whenever you are going to be making your mulch. Now guys, as you can all see, I have already started putting the cardboard in the shredder because this is a very simple and easy process. You can use your scissors or a knife to cut the cardboard to desired sizes that can go through the shredder. Do not put your knife in there, and please don't put your fingers in there either. Yeah, so once you do that, that's just it. You put the cardboard down in the shredder, and trust me guys, you are going to love the end result because I'm telling you, from the moment I started doing this, I have been seeing how this weed barrier have been working for me in my garden. It is just exceptional, and I really wanted to share it with you. So let me just go ahead now, finish cutting this box, and I'm just going to finish the process and show you how I am going to be applying it to some containers that I recently added some ginger in the garden. Okay, so I am done cutting up this box. I have two others in the washroom that I'm going to be using. So let us now finish putting these pieces through the shredder and then let's go outside to mulch our containers. All right, so this is our last piece of cardboard. Now look at the result, you all. Look at this. Look at this beautiful mulch that we just created. I am now going to pour it in a garbage bag and we will be heading outside to use our newest, bestest cardboard mulch that you can ever use in your garden. And guys, I am going to be honest with you. When you run your fingers through this cardboard mulch, it feels so good. I believe that it can be used as a form of stress relief, just playing in the bag of mulch. Okay, now let's get outside. Let us now take a look at the final result and look how beautiful it is looking. The brown, the green, the little bit of white that was not intentional, and the blue containers. It is looking absolutely great to me. Now remember the cardboard is biodegradable and it is going to be broken down over time. Now if you would like, you can also water the mulch to keep it in place because the cardboard is very light at this time. But because I am getting a lot of rainfall, I am not going to be watering mine right now. Oh gosh, I couldn't help myself. I just have to pick up a few more pieces to run them through my fingers because they are feeling so nice. Every now and then, when we walk through the garden, we are going to be doing our observations to see if any weeds is going to be going through our new cardboard mulch. So now that you have seen and now that you know how to make your very own mulch from cardboard boxes, go ahead and save those boxes. Now let's take a look at some containers that was mulched previously. There is no weeds in this container. No weeds. No weeds. I guess that's a mango. Up here, no weeds at all. I had some down in here and they've all broken down already. Let's see in this one. This looks like a piece of flower, but there's no weeds in there. None in this one. No weeds in here. Oh. So I can safely say it is 99% guaranteed. Yeah, no weeds at all. Thanks again for watching, you all. I will see you soon in another video.